Hey photographers, I am Kita with Kita's Florida Photography, and today I'm here to talk about the reflection in the glasses, right? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove this reflection, this glare from your glasses. So make sure you stay all the way to the end so you can see how to go from this to this. So if you are interested in this video and you are new here, welcome. And please make sure you hit the subscribe button. It is free for you to do so. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you returning. But now let's get into this video so you can stop having this lens glare reflection in your glasses, whether in photo or in your YouTube videos. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is where I was just filming the intro. So right back here, I was standing here, but facing this way. As you can see, I have my camera. So let's talk about what you'll need to make sure you remove the lens glare. I don't typically wear glasses. Those are glasses I wear when I'm working on the computer to prevent and protect my eyes from that blue screen glare, but I do have them. But I have seen plenty of photos and videos where I see that horrible glare reflection in it. And we're like, let's start getting that out of your content. So here's what you'll need. You need your camera, whether it is, in my case, I have my vlogging camera here, the Sony ZV-1, but you could have a variety of different cameras as well as your smartphone. iPhones and Androids do just as well recording video, so you don't have to buy that expensive gear. But if you want better quality video and you have the budget for it, definitely look into getting you a camera that is going to film. If you have one light, obviously you're going to put the light right behind your camera, which is fine. That's what you have to do. But when you have that one light behind your camera, the light is actually going through your lens and bouncing off of your glasses, causing that horrible reflection, that horrible glare. So if you have that one light, that's pretty much all you can do, unless you are filming during the day. You could possibly use daylight as a fill lighting, which I'll talk about in just a moment, but you really need two lights. So as you can see, I have this light here, which is my main recording light. I typically just use it when I'm recording videos because clearly I don't typically wear glasses. You don't usually see me wearing glasses in videos. If you can see and hear me all the way over here, there is another light over here to fill in the situation. So two lights, and you want to make sure the lighting is not that harsh. So as you can see, it has soft box covers over it. But if you have two lightings, you can hopefully adjust the lighting or move them away to kind of tone down the harshness of the light on your skin. So what you're going to do is this light that you have right behind the camera, you're going to actually move it to the side. And you're going to keep playing with the movement of this light on your right side until you no longer see it in your reflection of your glasses on your preview screen. This is when the preview screen will come in handy for you. So you're gonna move it all the way off to the side. But when you do that, as you can see, it's getting darker in this area. That means you're going to have shadows on the left side of your face. The right side is gonna be fully lit and the left side is going to be dark. Now, yes, it may be an artistic look for you, but you need a light to fill in on the left side, which is where this additional light comes from. You want to also have it far away from the camera and making sure it clears the glare of your glasses. Now, when you do that, you may need to hike up the brightness either on your camera, or if your lighting gets brighter, definitely do that. Make it as bright as it can be before it makes you look washed out or just too harsh. So let's turn on this other light. So let me take you with me. Okay, so as you can see, we have the camera here, and that light is all the way off to the left side. And then we're gonna flip around. You can kind of see the reflection of the light in this painting. We're gonna flip around. As you can see here now, the camera is here in the center, And then you have the other lighting over here on the right side. Camera has not moved. This lighting will be turned off once I have this set back up. This lighting I was using for the camera that I'm holding now. And also if you look up and into other areas, in the media area, no other lighting is on. So now let's turn this camera back on. And now we have the finished product yet again. So I will drop down below the products that I have here, the soft boxes, the lighting. Actually it came all in one package, so I'll leave that down below if you're interested in getting those. I got them from Amazon, easy place to get them from, right? And then I have a tripod, so that's very important. So that's how you remove the glare from your glasses. No reflection up here, just look, Let's try to do that going forward, y'all, okay? But by the way, if I ever turn to the right or to the left, I'm gonna have that glare again. But we're not doing that because the camera is here. We got it set up for the cameras. Now, if you have more than one camera, you're gonna have to set up your, you're gonna have to play around with your setting to make sure you don't get the glare. But we looking dead onto this camera. There's no glare, honey. Yes, yes, let's try to work on that going forward. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. It is free for you to do so. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks, and leave any questions you have down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.